Hello everyone. Many people have started to use the Zoom app, but still many people do not know what the app is. So in this video, I am going to tell you about Zoom and how to set it up. I am Ritvik and you are watching Technical Friend channel. So let's get into the video. What is Zoom? Zoom is a cloud-based video conferencing service which we can use to meet virtually with others. It is useful during this COVID-19 outbreak for online classes and business meetings. Now let's see how to install it in our computer and set it up.
Now I am going to tell you how to install Zoom on our computer. First open your web browser. It may be Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. Open it. Then type in Zoom. Then click on the download website. There are a lot of versions of Zoom available, but the default one is the Zoom client for meetings. I am downloading the installer. Then click save file. So now download has started. After it completes, go to my computer and downloads. So here is our Zoom installer. Click on it. So now our install has started. It is very simple to install. So now we should sign in with our Google, Facebook or Zoom account. You can also directly join a meeting by clicking on join meeting and we can enter the meeting ID and password to join. But signing in gives us the full-fledged experience. I am giving sign in with Google. Then click on your email ID which you want to sign in into Zoom. Sometimes it may ask for the date of birth verification. Sometimes it may not. Then click on Zoom meetings and open link. So now we have successfully installed Zoom on our computer. Now you can join a meeting by clicking on join and giving its meeting ID and password. You can also join by clicking in a link and give open Zoom meetings. So this is the setup for installing Zoom in our computer.
Now let's see how to install Zoom in our phone. The same process follows for the installation of Zoom in phone, but it's a little bit different. First open your Google Play Store. Then type in Zoom. Then click on install. So now our install has started. Now click on open. So now give sign in into your Google, Facebook or Zoom account. I am giving sign in with Google. Then click on the account which you want to sign in. Then click on launch Zoom. So now our Zoom app has successfully installed in our... We have understood how to install Zoom in a computer and as well as phone. The Zoom download link is in the description box for both computer and phone. Hope you have liked this video, friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will not only be uploading tech videos in my channel but also DIY videos and many more kinds of videos. Thank you.